Tough restroom cleaning jobs typically require harsh acids, which are unpleasant to work with to say the least. Total non-acid bowl and bathroom cleaner provides the power needed to tackle the toughest jobs without acids or strong alkalis. And, unlike other cleaners, spills won't ruin carpeting or clothing. The thickened formula penetrates to clean the toughest bowl stains, limescale, rust, and mineral deposits. The non-abrasive formula will not etch porcelain or pit fixtures and is safe for fiberglass and acrylic. Use Total in bowls, along with sinks, tubs, and showers. And in addition to the cleaning power, Total also deodorizes as it cleans with a fresh spearmint fragrance.